In today's video, we're going to solve problems using the alligation method. I'm going to show you different variations of it and different ways that a problem may be set up. So stay till the end. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Jess. I'm a pharmacist and I make pharmacy calculations easy. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploaded videos. Okay, let's get started. Let's look at the first problem. How many ml of a 50% weight in volume dextrose solution and 5% weight in volume dextrose solution is required to prepare 2,700 ml of a 10% solution? So when using alligation, so typically you'll see that you have a higher concentration and you have a lower concentration, and you're trying to make a solution with a concentration that is in the middle. So here you're trying to make a solution that is 10%. The higher concentration is 50%, the lower concentration is 5%. So the way you set it up, so you'll have the 10% in the middle, and then you'll have 50 on the top left and 5 on the bottom left. Now you're going to subtract. So 50 minus 10, that's 40. 10 minus 5, that's 5. Now the 5 is 5 parts of the 50% solution. The 40 is 40 parts of the 5% solution. Now, what we're being asked is to calculate how many ml of each solution we're going to need. And when you add the 2 mLs, they should equal to 2,700 ml. So if we have 5 parts of the 50% and 40 parts of the 5%, so if you add them, so that's 45 parts of the 10% solution that we're trying to make. So if it's 45 parts, and we know in total it's 2,700 ml, so that means it's 2,700 divided by 45, so that's 60 ml per part. So we have that. Now, to calculate ml of each solution, so we can start with the 50% solution. So we have 5 parts of the 50% solution, and we know it's 60 ml per part, so we can do 5 times 60, so that's 300 ml of the 50% solution. Same for the 5% solution, so it's 40 parts of the 5% times 60 ml per part, so that's 2,400 ml of the 5% solution. And as you can see, when you add 300 and 2,400, the total is 2,700 ml. Let's look at another example. How many grams of 2.5% hydrocortisone cream should be mixed with 360 grams of 0.25% cream to make a 1% cream? So we can use the alligation method. So we have 1 in the middle, the higher, remember, so the 1 in the middle, the higher concentration is going to be top left, and then the lower concentration is going to be bottom left. So higher concentration is 2.5, lower concentration is 0.25. So we're going to subtract 2.5 minus 1, that's 1.5 parts of the 0.25% cream. And then 1 minus 0.25, that's 0.75 parts of the 2.5% cream. Now, this problem is a little bit different than the previous one. Here, they're not asking us grams of each. They're asking us for grams of one, so of just the 2.5% cream. So there's multiple ways to do this, but we can use this, we can solve this using ratio and proportion. So to use ratio and proportion, so we have 0.75 parts of the 2.5% cream, but we don't know how many grams That's what they're asking us for. For the 0.25% cream, we know how many parts. It's 1.5 parts, and we know how many grams of that is. It's 360 grams. So to use the ratio and proportion, we can have 0.75 parts of the 2.5% cream over 1.5 parts of 0.25% cream equals X gram of the 2.5% cream over 360 gram of the 0.25% cream. So X then equals 0.75 times 360 divided by 1.5, and that's 180 grams of the 2.5% cream. Let me know what questions you have in the comment sections. And if you want a copy of my free calculation guide, the link is in bio. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.